luminous, and that is pretty much a measure of brightness. These both are 115 luminous, both of them. Okay? They also both feature the nice little rubber off and on. It doesn't have to be clicked all the way down to turn on. Okay? So you can use that for signaling or a strobe, or push it down till it clicks. See? And then it stays on. Hands-free functioning. Good to go. Same thing with this one. It's got that just half push and then a solid push down lock. Okay. Anyway, this one, like I said, has the three light settings. It's got white for general purpose, red for enhanced night vision, and green for map reading or book reading. Okay. This, solid white. That's all it has. You know, really bright ass LED. 115 luminous. Okay. Batteries. Let's get on that. Okay, this one takes these batteries. I don't like these batteries. They are lithiums. The CR2. It's a CR2 cell battery. You know, I don't know. This one, on the other hand, runs off of 3 AAA batteries. Okay? A lot more convenient. You can probably have AAA batteries more on stock than some funky CR2 or CR3 or whatever it is. Also, the only place I was able to find the batteries for this was in the photo department. You know, you go in any Walmart, you know, shopping anything, and there'll be triple and double A's everywhere, you know, all throughout the store. So, readability, this one wins on batteries. And I am also going to upgrade those to lithiums so I can get my maximum brightness. Also, something I forgot to throw in there. Look at that. That's a big sucker of an O-ring. Keep your batteries dry. They both came with the little lanyards. This one obviously I took off because it goes on my gun. Alright. Let's see here. Distance, okay? The Coleman, the one I've been talking about and praising, this one here, you can see the 115 luminous, alright, light output. The beam is 66 meter distance, okay? That's pretty damn good distance, alright? Battery life, 6 hours, okay? 6 hours, that's good. That's really good. You know, you can actually put this in a survivor kit, and this would make a good search and rescue light. I mean, I'll show you the cool features about that. This one, 2-hour battery life. That's why it's on the gun. Batteries are hard to get. 2-hour battery life. That's a gun flashlight. This is an all-purpose flashlight. Alright, let's turn the lights off and check these things out. The first one, as you can see, if you dropped your flashlight, you'd be able to locate it pretty easily. reading, you know, okay. It's really bright. You can't have it directly on there. It kind of glares it up a little bit, but okay. That's it. That's the only function for the gun light. Other one. Also 115 luminous. Okay. You're reading. Alright. Then it switches to red. Alright. Now it's hard to read with red. It kind of hurts your eyes a little bit. So switch it to green. Oh yeah. That's good. That's real good. Alright. And then let's say you want to signal somebody. Boom. You just twist it. And you got fucking Christmas lights. Alright. Really important thing I wanted to throw in there before we cut this is, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it says hours of illumination, 6 hours on white. Okay? 6 hours on white. That's the brightest, alright, light power thing, you know, that's the 115 luminous there, and it runs for 6 hours compared to 2 hours. Okay? Your red runs 50 hours. Alright, I'm not making this up. Look. 50 hours on white. Or 50 hours on red, and then 50 hours on green, compared to 2 hours. So, if you're looking for an all-around good light, this is your choice. You want a damn good gun light on a budget, this is your choice. I hope I've been a help, and this has been a Ninjamon educational review. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Alright guys, we're in my backyard. I got 270 in my backyard, if you can't tell. Anyway, show this light out. This is the green feature. Okay? You'll be finding stuff with that. Alright. The red, semi-night vision. Okay? And then for white. Look at that. See that? These have been previously featured in my cave hiking videos. These things work great. I mean, they just light stuff up. You know. Reflectors on semis, hey, forget about it. Watch it. Oh, see them lighting up? Alright, I better get in before somebody calls the cops on me. Hope you enjoyed. Later.
Which one of y'all motherfuckers drunk on my Kool-Aid?